Today we're going to talk about the Kentuck Knob by Lloyd Wright. So the first picture that you see here is an aerial view of the home, and I wanted you to see this picture because you can see the surroundings of the house, which is just a whole bunch of trees. And one of the reasons why this is very important is because one of Lloyd Wright's vision when he designed the home was for it to be a Usonian organic home. Usonian basically just means that it's an affordable home that has space. It's single story, and they're often in an L shape. So you can see the L shape clearly in this aerial view as well. And then organic just means that it ties in with the land, and that is one of the main reasons why this home is so popular. When I was researching, is one of the things that came up a lot was that this home tied in very, very well with the land, and you'll see why in the next upcoming picture. So here's a picture of just the front view of the home, and you can see very clearly what the home is made out of. The front and the stone that is made out of, it is native sandstone, and then the roof is made out of copper hipped roof. And then the wood is made out of tidewater red cypress. And he picked out these materials because he felt that it really added to the land. And a lot of people say that the house, when you see it in person, that it feels like it just belongs, or that it could have just grown with nature itself. And that's what makes it very, very popular. In the next couple of pictures, you can see the design of the home a little bit more clear. So one of the main shapes that he used for this home was a hexagon, and you can actually see it also in the aerial view. He kind of makes the L shape of the home, and then with like the landscape, he designs like the hexagon, and it's very interesting because he incorporates it like where the living room is, and then he incorporates it in the kitchen. You can see the skylight is also a hexagon. And also one of the main focal points of this home is the living room, because it's full of windows and it has an incredible view to the outside. One of the really impressive things about this home as well that people take into consideration is that he was 86 when he built this house, and he only went to see it once when it was under construction, and then he never went back to the home, which means that he never went to go check if it needed anything else, if he didn't like it, if the construction was going right. He just trusted his design so much, and he was so confident that he didn't have to go back. He was already like a genius when it came to designing a home, and clearly it shows with his home that what he built was a masterpiece. Also, you can see that the floor is made out of flagstone, and this is throughout the whole home. And one of the other things too is that this home was actually not named the Kentuck Knob in the beginning. It was named the Hagen home, which is what his friends are named. But David Askins used to live in Pennsylvania, and he wanted to move to Kentucky. But when he saw this home, he liked it so much, he ended up staying, and he ended up nicknaming the home the Kentuck Knob. And then eventually it just stuck, and that's how the name of this house became. And that's pretty much the main reason why this home is one of his main architecture pieces. is because it feels so organic and it fits so well with the land, which is one of his visions, one of the main things that he wanted to build when he designed this home. And it became very, very popular with the people, and seeing the design, it really, really is um, a really beautiful home. So that should be it for this home. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Have a nice day.